Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and this is the Yakima OverNOut 180 awning. It's a wide spanning awning, giving you a total of 8.7 meters of coverage, and it goes from the front to the back of your car, so down the whole side of your vehicle. The awning uses these reinforced support arms, as well as 2 adjustable legs and guy ropes and pegs to ensure that you've got a nice stable awning when the wind picks up or you're setting up on uneven ground. It's made from a 420D poly cotton fabric that's got a waterproof PU coating, so it's great in both the sun and in the rain. And with Yakima's signature topo print across the top of the canvas, gives it a really nice, unique look when it's all set up. When the awning's packed away, it's protected by a PVC-free 820D transit cover, which is built to handle rough conditions both on and off-road. The awning does weigh 21 kilos, so make sure you are factoring that in to your roof's overall load rating. And that is the Yakima OverNOut 180. Strong build, easy deployment, and great coverage for your setup.